In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create light and dark mode in Figma. Creating light and dark modes in your designs is a fantastic way to enhance user experience and accessibility, allowing users to choose the interface theme they prefer. We're going to walk through the process of setting this up directly within Figma, making it interactive and easy to understand. To begin, you'll first need to open Figma. If you haven't already, start a new design file or navigate to an existing project where you wish to implement these themes. This is where all our design magic will happen. Think of your canvas as a blank slate, ready for your creative input. Next, let's design our dark mode interface. For this demonstration, we'll create a simple shape and add some text on top of it. Start by selecting the rectangle tool from your toolbar and drawing a shape onto your canvas. This rectangle will serve as the background for our dark theme. Make sure to give it a dark fill color, perhaps a deep gray or a true black, to establish that distinct dark mode aesthetic. Once your shape is in place, grab the text tool and add some placeholder text on top of your dark background. For optimal contrast and readability in dark mode, set the text color to a light shade, such as white or a very light gray. It's often helpful to group these two elements together or place them within a frame and label it clearly, perhaps as dark mode screen or dark component. This organization will be very useful as your project grows. Following that, we'll create the light mode version. A super efficient way to do this is to simply duplicate your entire dark mode setup that you just created. Select your dark mode screen frame or grouped elements, then use the duplicate command. Place this new duplicate right beside your original. Now, within this duplicated frame, select the background shape and change its fill color to a light shade, like a soft white or a very pale gray. Then, select the text layer and adjust its color to a dark tone, such as black or a dark charcoal gray, ensuring it stands out beautifully against the light background. This clearly defines your light mode screen. The goal here is to maintain the same layout and structure, only altering the colors to fit the respective theme, which ensures consistency for your users. Finally, we'll add the prototyping to make these modes switch interactively. Navigate to the Prototype tab in the Properties panel on the right side of your Figma interface. This is where we define how users interact with your design. Select an element within your dark mode frame that you want to be clickable to switch themes. For instance, you could select the background shape itself, or perhaps a specific button you've added. You'll see a blue circle appear. Click and drag it over to your light mode frame. A dialog box will pop up. For the trigger, choose On Click. For the action, select Navigate to, and ensure it's pointing to your light mode screen. Now, we need to create the reverse interaction. Go to your light mode frame, select the corresponding element, and drag its blue interaction handle back to your dark mode frame. Again, set the trigger to On Click and the action to Navigate to, this time pointing to your dark mode screen. With these connections made, you can now preview your prototype, and clicking between the two frames will seamlessly switch between your light and dark modes, bringing your design to life.